Own Your Financial Future with Infinite Banking Part 2. Hi, I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every Tuesday and Thursday we come out with brand new videos. Stay tuned to the end of the video to get a valuable tool that will get you financial control faster than anything else. So today's topic is Own Your Financial Future with Infinite Banking Part 2. In our previous video named Own Your Financial Future with Infinite Banking Part 1, we went through one vital question you should ask yourself every time you make a purchase, no matter how big or small, which is, am I buying an asset or a liability? If you weigh every purchase that you make from this angle, you can be rest assured your life will never be the same again. Now, that is the first step in the journey of owning your own financial future. So, once you establish a habit of creating a financial inventory, before making any purchases, big or small, our next destination should be financial control. But the question is, how to take control of our finances? The answer is to start with baby steps. Get better at the basics. And no matter where you are in your life right now, these basic principles about savings and investment will never go out of fashion, and we can all benefit from them. Before we go further, one quick reminder: if you have a question or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you want to learn more about it, please watch our on-demand class which explains it in a more in-depth setting. Now, with the word control, what usually pops up in our mind? It is all those regular stuffs like do not invest your money that you don't understand, do not buy things that you don't need, don't finance things that you can't afford, etc. We all heard about it and know about it, right? But today I'm going to talk about a bigger control in your finances. That is something you don't like doing it, but you also don't have any alternative, or at least not that you are aware of. What is that? That is interest. Yes, all the interest that we pay to our creditors for our home loans, auto loans, student loans, credit card debts, to name a few. Unless we find a way to control that flow of money which is leaving our bank account month in and month out, it is very hard to attain our financial freedom. For details on this topic, go to our previous video named Infinite Banking for Dummies. Just think about it. An average American pays somewhere in between $300,000 to $500,000 in their lifetime in interest alone. It is a big waste. And if we could curb that waste and reinvest that money for our own betterment, where it will take us in our retirement years. And Infinite Banking creates a unique opportunity for you to do just that. If you want to learn more about it, watch our free masterclass at your convenient time. Today I'm going to provide you with a simple tool. This question you should ask yourself every time you pay a creditor, no matter how big or small it is. And the question is, do I have a leak in my financial bucket? If you just install this habit and keep on asking this question, your life will never be the same again, and you will own your own financial future. Give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Check out our next video called Own Your Financial Future Part 3, where we'll dig deeper into it. And don't forget to own your own financial future, or someone else will.